Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. I bring our sister Cora. Cora Obidi. I bring her content come my channel today, come our table. Now who made that to my table? Now Cora Kitchen. Wax. Yes. Now she made that to my table today. My beautiful people. I bring this our sister Cora Kitchen. I go like me we hear from her before me they drop my own opinion. Let's hear from her.
Wave of bloggers now is to just come and say how they've done all the things they've done for me, supported me all my life. Can I just touch base on that real quick? If you think that you've supported me too much and I've not done anything for you, I think it's time for you to just, quit, maybe find somebody else that you like and show your support and look for what you're looking for in return. What I want is love that is unconditional. What I want is love that is not based on what you give me, I give you, you do this for me, I do this for you. My Koreans that love me just like I love them. I don't love you because I want something from you. I love you because you show me support and you love me. That's it. That's it. So if you are looking for support that will give you something in back, just go and look for the next, creator. Yes, I occasionally give things to people and I give free audiobooks and I do all sorts of things. Yes, I do these things, but I don't want you to support me because of these things that I do. And anybody who is like thinking that they're now entitled to things because they've been supporting, Catty, why? Can I just say I love you, Catty? Thank you. You've been like consistent every day. Like, thank you, Catty. So if you're looking for somebody that will, hey, I'm this, that, I can smell you from a mile away and it stinks. It stinks. I can smell you from a mile away where you're looking to support for something. I can smell your agenda from a mile away. Just leave, okay? Leave. If you're coming to support me because you want me to promote your business, just leave. If you're coming here to support me because you think you're the biggest career and I'm giving you more support than your family, just get out, okay? I'm not the person. Go and look for another person to support, okay? I'm not the person. And if you're one of those sick-minded people that like to pit women against each other, pit against each other, pit just to sow a seed of discord, fixed normally, you need medication, okay? If you're one of those people that your job is to pit people against each other, Michelle Carter to say, hey, look at Nancy, she's doing this, you're not doing it. Look at you, you're doing this, Nancy is not doing this. You're pitting women against each other. You don't know where me and Nancy come from. She's my own in Chem. You cannot put any seed of discord. You're going to end up putting yourself up for blocking. Yeah. If you're supporting me because you're wanting me to do the following things, support you, comment on your page, like and subscribe to you, tell my fans to like, just get out. If you're supporting me because you actually love what I'm doing, I'm making music that you like, I make you happy, I make you, sometimes put a smile on your face, I'm goofy enough to, make you happy sometimes, you can stay here. This place is not for anybody with some sick, twisted agenda. It is for love, genuine love. I love my followers. You see, I don't advertise nonsense products to my followers. I don't tell my followers nonsense bullcrap about how this is the thing making my stomach flat. This is the thing. Have you ever seen me do that? No.
My people, I hope I don't hear from the Hox's mouth. From Cora, wax. Not still, I don't hear from her mouth. No, come. Some vloggers say they go there say, they support you, promote my this thing. This word yeah, it get a CBO. When they try to promote some Kenyan vlogger, they insult us, join and say every time they do their thumbnail. Then you take a Cora video to create a content. You are still expecting something out of it. You are still expecting her to notice you. If you go her channel, go right there, at least her audience, they're going to see you. For me, going to those big YouTubers, write for there. Use my channel to write for there. And now they tell them, make them see me. And they tell their follower, say, I did there. And they tell their follower, as they see maybe Naija Daughter, I write. Maybe they don't want to do the person, the vlogger, or the big YouTuber video. They want my video go flash, enter their, any part of where they did. At least one or two people go pick. I don't see this person for comment section. And let me hear what they talk about this our love, our lover, our big fans when they follow, our person when they follow. Let me hear. How many people Cora want support? Let's ask ourselves. Let me and you. Cora when get 6 point something me. How many people Cora want to support? How many people Cora want to drop comment for their comment section? How many? No, me not drop in the comment section. Can Cora support? Me I even get 1,000 subscribers. I not believe I will follow 1,000 people. I not believe I will follow 500 people. Why sometimes when you they follow person, follow them because of you love that person, or because waiting that person they do you like her, or because of you they learn something out of it. I know they talking for all comic content creator. Are they talking for it like me now? People why they react to like all those I Amawa. How they expect I Amawa. I Amawa if you watch my video, no drop comments. Or how they expect Nello. Or I go dey expect Woodmine. Or I go dey expect which people I want expect. Okay, as I dey do this Quora video, now they expect them to come and watch me and drop me comment. You know how many, as I sit down, know how many people sit down for Quora matter. If they watch person, first of all, me want to see they would be oncoming. I say they grow. Wait till they talk. If you want to subscribe to me, I'm not there in rush of I must hit. If you like what I they do, subscribe. If you they learn something, what I they do, subscribe. If I they make you smile, subscribe. Not subscribe because you want me to come your house. You understand? The little view when they get, I'm okay with it. Me when they grow. Talk of person when don't get 6 point something. Sometimes let's give up. Sometimes we just want people to talk. I think when I hear say she said she know they do advert. She love her follower. You go tell they say imagine person like this now bring one particular something come outside. People go buy am because mother of two look her stomach. You know how many people go they call her and say you do advert for them. She no agree because she know say that fake. But many others our star now what they think they survive. They go carry camera, use and paint their skin. They will buy whole one cream. Now this side they rub, but if you see them for ground, you will be like you want vomit. Yes, many they happen like that. For me, I don't see what you see they accuse her for the drag her put. I don't see. You create content, then they your lane. You they create your content. Later they create her content. For me, I they go her house where I can't really start to they follow her. Now when that her first cry. That her first cry say her husband want that video I will make. I say how many months ago now? No. When I make that video. Please, for me, if you like person, like and with no, you don't expect anything in return. Let that person by himself notice you. Let that person by himself say, this person. I know some people when they read, they genuinely support me with this my Naija daughter. I know them. And some people still know how I sit they support them. I don't need to open my mouth, tell them. They don't need to open their mouth, tell me. And she still mentioned, say, if you love person, love her with unconditional attach on it. I need something. Maybe you love person, then you can't expect that something in return. No. She mentioned and say, her fans, she know her real fans. Imagine tomorrow I blow. Imagine tomorrow God just lift me. I know some people when I know if he ever leave them. If I say this YouTube, I go use it and do something. I go use it and make a name. I know some people. Those kind of people, I don't believe say I go ever fit. People like that, she said she get their contact. She says sometimes if you know they see that she'll contact them. Those are the people who they start with her, who they still there with her. You don't expect her to know person like me when I just started to follow her the time of her husband time. You don't expect her to know me. Okay, just because she and her husband get quarreled, they go their separate way. Then you call they talk on your channel. You know how many people they her side, they talk for their channel and say, no, Cora is the right. Cora right. Her husband, you know how many channel? And that video when you make dollar inside. You monetize that video, you make dollar inside. You see they expect her to know you. Hey, this world though, my people. You make dollar out of that content. You are still expecting this lady to know you. When dollar don't already see you, don't already pay you. You see they expect her to, I beg. Now I make anything when you they do, not do it because of say, notice me, I not like her. When you they do something, do one because it come out from your mind. And don't let anybody to force you for what you not like, what you not want to. And not do something because this person go pay me in return, not do one. If you they do something, do one because it there your mind. And God place that for your mind. When you do something you are expect, when that person not do one for you, will broke down. But when you do something without you are not expecting anything in return, no matter that person show you one kind of character, you will not notice her. You will not even see her. Let's do things because we want to do them. Not be say because I they do them because I service. No. And don't they say now many vloggers, many big YouTubers, they complain this thing. Say some people go close to them just because what they want get. Why we human beings are like that? Can't we be real for once? Be real. Then if that person wants support you, want join you, don't support you, he can support you with his own mind. God can place that thing for her mind or for his mind. Not you forcing yourself. How could you just bring sister and sister? You want to use the knack head. For me, I talk about Naxi. I said, Naxi, see what your sister they pass through now when they just demonetize in China. Talk of you report people, China, they bring them down. It don't make sense. I talk about that thing. Then they tell Cora, say, what is sister? If his sister not would do anything for her, if his family member not would do, you know they do it, make family member join her. If you be content creator, I believe many of we, when we be content creator, we can boast now say many of our family members, they don't, when you start time, they don't join you. They don't support you. Some said they go tell you say they don't see your notification. Some of your brother, your sister, they'll tell you say they don't, but they see other notification when they watch. But that will not make us to say our sister, we not gonna like our sister again. We not need our sister again. They still remain our sister. How will they feel they choose sister? Many of us will choose. How will they feel they choose brother? Many of us will choose. But we know they feel they choose. Now God just bring us together. Now God bring us to become the same father, the same mother. If your friend do you something, you don't feel your friend do you something, and his sister do something, it can never be the same. He can put friend out, but she or he can never put sister out. There is, you feel place sister, but you know if you pull her out, say everlasting, you never be your sister. It can never happen. Something go happen today that will measure your name. My phone full. I need to delete. Now I lost a lot of video yesterday, and the video one I make, you know, be say it makes sense. We don't understand. I don't know the way I first stop. Where I don't drop my own opinion. When they do something, do one without you are not expecting anything in return, so that you know broke down. And not they follow person because of you want that person to notice you. Mostly those big YouTubers. Don't ever put that for your head. Say, I they follow, I go notice you. No. You are there to advertise yourself for her audience or for his audience to know you. You know they advertise yourself. If I go any big YouTuber, not the day there say make she or he know me. No. I'm there because their picture must be my thumbnail. I'm there to tell her fans, say this guy channel they exist. You they do something, they make the person notice you. Please, let's respect ourselves. If you know they enjoy waiting you they watch for that house, please pack your belong akaya. If you they learn something for there, please sit down. If they make you they laugh, please sit down. If you like her music, her wax, not be only Cora, anybody at all, sit down and download on it. If you they take one video from her video, go use and create. Why not? And she they give you news. You they go there, go read news. Then you sit down for your channel to to analyze them. Why not? Why you not go there? If you not go farm, your feet carry. If you not go farm, how your feet get yam planted? Yam no just meet you for heart. You need to go farm. You need to go bush, go harvest yam so that you'll see and eat. Yam no just by itself come up for grant. Come meet you. Now will be if you be reactor people in the react to content. Okay. Now this one I get to talk. Oh, I don't know how my people see. Yes, now this one I get to talk. At least small. They bring my sister Cora Obidi to my channel until they use and they build my Facebook page. If you know they follow me for Facebook page, wait till they wait for. Please they follow me for Facebook page. Okay, I go they bring all those news come for now. Cora and other news. Okay, they bring and come for now. Okay, now this one I get to talk. Cora assist. Be yourself. Do your thing. You see talk about dress. If na Naija and you will cause go slow. No, some people go they insert you. When some, except the city, if na village they'll carry cloths, wrap you. But if you be girl when just they grow, me those days I love short. I love short too. I love short. I love open. But now I know if I feel wear that kind of thing again. I don't believe, not believe. I love short too. Hey, mostly girl when from hair full, reach ground, your leg full, everything full. I got to talk my beautiful people. I'll see you in my next video. Now who they zuzu? Now who made that to my table? Now Cora was. Now she made that to my table. I think please subscribe and follow me and follow my Facebook. Okay, follow my Facebook, like my video, and I see you in my next video. To do something because of me.
To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default.